Hi, we're Celia and Everin, a couple from Ireland who loves traveling, discovering new cultures, and trying new flavors. On this channel, we share the places we visit exactly as we experience them, simple, real, and honest. Today we're in Amsterdam. It's cold, a little hazy, and with Christmas lights everywhere, the city feels warmer and a bit magical. So come with us. Let's explore Amsterdam's Christmas vibe together. Here we go. Classic Amsterdam moment unlocked. Look at this. Boats sliding through the canal, calm water, and the famous dancing houses in the back. They always look a little drunk, but nope, that's just centuries of sinking foundations. And winter makes everything feel even softer, almost dreamy. If you're searching for that perfect postcard shot, this is exactly where you find it. Alright, let's take this a bit higher for a moment. We started with the cute, crooked houses, and now we're heading straight to the heart of the city, Central Station. This place connects everything: trains, trams, ferries, and basically the whole Amsterdam energy. From up here, it all makes sense. Suddenly, welcome to the busy side of Amsterdam. If there's a line, you know it's good. And these two spots prove it. Mannequin piss for the fries, Von Staple for that famous cookie. Crowded? Yes. Worth it? Absolutely. After a few cozy Christmas corners, the city suddenly feels bigger. And walking into Beurspassage always hits different. The colors, the reflections, it's like a mini art tunnel in the middle of the chaos. And then boom, you're back in the crowds again. Shops, music, people everywhere. Amsterdam during the holidays is basically one long, glowing street. A few steps later, you're already on Dam Square, basically the city's main stage. Madame Tussauds, shops, lights, everything happening at the same time. It's busy, a bit chaotic, super colorful. But honestly, that's the fun of Amsterdam at Christmas. Canals really set the mood here. Calm water, slow boats, and people just enjoying the day. Every turn looks like another postcard, and somehow it never gets old. What always surprises me is how close everything feels. Cafés, bridges, old houses, all connected by these quiet waterways. And Amsterdam has this way of making even the simplest moments feel special. Like this, when someone on a boat just waves at you for no reason. Little things, but they make the city feel incredibly friendly. Okay, this place is heaven if you love cheese. Henry Willig is basically Amsterdam's signature stop, and yeah, Gouda is everywhere. You can try different ones here, smoked, truffle, even the sweet ones. It's one of those shops where you walk in just to look, and somehow walk out with a bag. Honestly, it's warm, it smells amazing, and it feels very Amsterdam. Little break, little tasting, perfect. Stepping into Rokin 85 feels like walking straight into Christmas. Warm lights, cozy decorations, a little bit of chaos in the best way. It's the kind of place you instantly relax. There's music, people playing games, a whole pub buzzing with that holiday energy. And honestly, this is exactly where you want to end a cold December day. Food here is way better than we expected. The cocktails are fun, and the whole vibe just feels festive and easy. A perfect little Christmas stop in the middle of Amsterdam. Amsterdam at night hits completely different. The Christmas lights, the reflections on the canals, the music from the streets, it all feels a bit unreal. There's this cozy holiday buzz everywhere. People shopping, laughing, stopping just to take photos, and honestly, you can't help but smile with them. It's one of those nights where you think, okay, I get why everyone falls in love with this city. If you ever visit Amsterdam in December, don't rush, just walk. Let the lights pull you in. Thank you for hanging out with us today. Amsterdam at Christmas is honestly pure magic. In part 2, we're taking you to the Rijksmuseum Gardens, the Christmas flower market, and some of the cutest streets in the city. So stay tuned. It gets even better. Wishing you and your loved ones a warm, cozy, beautiful Christmas. See you in the next journey.